Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Jabra Evolve2 50 headset. This could be an MS or a UC, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this headset is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not pairing or syncing with your device or with the app or anything like that, this factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now you will need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this, is if for whatever reason you want to set this headset up like a brand new headset with all of the pairing history and everything deleted off of it, we can go ahead and do that really quite simply. All we need to do is make sure the headset is turned on and that it's not on a call or anything like that. And then all we need to do is come in and press and hold this call button and the volume up button simultaneously for 3 seconds until the LED lights up in pink, and you should actually hear the headset audibly say that it's resetting. Once that happens, you can go ahead and release those buttons, and then you can turn the headset on and repair it and reconnect it like you're setting up a brand new headset.